When we talk about strings in Python, first of all, these are little things you must know about that one. In Python, you can specify a string constant with the help of the double commas. You can enclose, and either you can use also the single commas. And then we know that we have the print functions in which by which we can use, or by which we can print the value of that string. Like here, print hello will produce the same output like print hello. There is no difference between them. This is specifically done in Python. In other programming languages, only one method is used. Either you use double quotation or you use single commas. When we talk about the variable, for example, like we did here, in variable we assign values as we did in our last practice. Like here, I show you, like we give here 10 and we give here 20. So here in this statement, you can see X is a variable and 10 is the value. Y is a variable and 20 is the value. In the same way, here A is a string variable and hello is the value of that string. We know that in different nowadays we do not we can say that we do not do some calculations of string, but we handle string like the name of student, the name of employee, the address of employee. So sometime we need to do it. If you will run it, you will see here the same thing here, like you print X and like you print Y, same method, and like you print here X plus Y. Okay, we run it, we'll see here the output. As it is working for X, Y, and Z, which are number variables, the same thing is here. A is hello, and when we print A, the value of A is hello because this assignment operator. So we try here, is plus works for strings. Okay, we do here plus B. We run it. Look at, this is also working for hello. But the string, the plus operator on string, what this plus operator does in the case of string variables, it just concatenate the both strings. Okay, you can see here, it put here hello and then it print here the word. Now this A plus B is a single string. I can show you here. C is equal to A plus B. Okay, C is equal to A plus B. And now we print here C. Look at this. This A plus B will concatenate the word hello and print, and the value will be assigned to C. You can see here this C value. So here you can see this, we can manipulate strings in terms of variables also. Okay, not in print statement or something. We can use them in as a variable also. When we talk about the multi-line strings, can we assign a multi-line string value? Yes, we can. The difference is that we will have to enclose this string with the help of double commas. Look at here. We need to enclose this way. Okay.
Yes.
Now you can see here this one is a double commas, and where you will make the new line, like we type here some more words, you will see this is first line, this is second line. Automatically, as you type this string and assign the value to A, this will be assigned to that one. So we can also use multi-line strings with the help of variables. And we can also use with the 3 single quotes, like we have already told that we can use either single quotes to make the strings or double quotes. Okay, so we will change it to single quotes, the same result will be done here. You can see here. the same.
Mhm.
Okay. Next are strings or arrays. What do you have some concept of what is an array?
I think, yeah, I think
Yeah. Kindly explain what you know about arrays.
arrays are the it is the when okay, I think I haven't learned arrays yet.
Okay, okay, don't worry. First of all, because this is very primitive concept of any programming language. Okay,
Mm,
in every programming language, there are some fundamentals which you need to know. Number one, the input statement, output statement, data types, variables. Okay, then the selection statement, the looping statements, and the arrays. This is very important thing when we talk about array. Array meaning. Okay, look at this. Array means that we have some arrangement, we have some assembling, we have some sort of collection, we have some sort of lineup. Okay, so it
mm,
means that array is me array means that we have some sort of collection, like this one here. Look at here, this example. So we will read what are arrays, how we can create arrays in different languages. So can you explain what we say it hello is a word. Okay,
mhm,
and when I talk about what is H, what will you say that this is a character? Okay.
mm.
So
Okay.
every string, every every string is also considered as array of characters. Okay.
Okay.
In programming language like Python, like Java and other C++, PHP, all these other languages, arrays are also manipulated, can also be used as a string of elements, string of characters. What is the, how can we use it? Look at here. I just type here A of 1. And what is printed here? This one. And if I want to print this W, we should count that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, space 6, and this is 7. I will type here 7. You can see here, you will see here the W. Okay. So array,
Okay.
in array, whenever you will read about array, we will talk about we will talk about arrays in more detail in our coming lectures. For the time being, uh, you can understand in this way. Array is a collection of similar type of values, like here. These are similar type of values. All these are characters. Okay.
Mhm.
And what is the first character? What is the index of first character? The first character is equal to the index of first character is 0. Like I show you here something like array in computer science, and I show you some image which will make sense. Look at here. This is an array. We have stored 73 on 0 index, 98 on 1 index, and 86 on 2 index, and 61 on 3, and 96 on this one. When you talk about some character array or string array, every time array is like this one. Look at here, UBAFE. So the first element, the first index is 0, second one is 1, 3, starts from the 0. This is called the index. Whenever you talk about array, you can access the elements of array with the help of index. So similarly, we can also have the length of array. We want to see how many characters in this string. We can use a string length of a. When you will run it, you will see here how many characters are there in this array. Look at, we can find the length of string
Uh-huh.
with the help of length function. Okay. So next is looping through a length. What is looping? Do you know? You, do you have any idea of any programming language, or this is your first language?
Yes.
Do you know what is loop?
Looping.
Loop. What is looping or loop in programming?
No.
Okay, then we are not working on this one. Okay, because we need to study. First of all, look at here. We will read here this loops. Okay, then we will talk. Loop mean continuously repetition of some process. Okay, this is called loop. In
Okay.
programming language, when you repeatedly perform some task, we say that we are working on loops. You can read here, look at here. You will have to learn about loops, then you will get a better understanding of this, how we can loop through this one. This is the string length, how we can find the string length, and this is very important function. This is only available in Python language. Before Python, this was very difficult to find a specific text in the string. Look at here. This is our whole string, and we want to check whether the word free present in this string. Okay. How we can do it? We will type that word. We will use the in operator and then the variable of name. You understand that? This is the
Yeah.
word you want to find. This is the operator like plus, minus. Okay, this is the in operator. And this is the variable. You can understand. And it will result either true or false, like this one. I type here free one. When I will run it, it will return false because free one is not a word which is present here. Look at false. Okay. When I try here free in txt, txt mean my string. You can name it here A, and then you will change this name also. Look at. Now run it. It will run true. It will return true because free is the word that is available in this string. Okay, we check for some other one. We check for best. The result will be true. The result will be true. Look at here. Okay, we check here R. The result will be true because this substring or this word is also present in here. Okay, we check for is. What will be the result, Diamond?
False.
Definitely it will be the false. So this is the way you can check for check the string whether a certain phrase a character present in the string. Okay, you can give single character here, you can give two character here, you can even give some phrase here like this one, life are free. Okay, look at not the single word, you can use some phrase here. This is true. Okay, if you are looking for life is free, then what will happen? It will return us false because it will check the whole phrase. Life is free, not for the single word. So this is the way we can check. If you want to check in different way, I mean in the not way, then you can use the not operator as well. Okay, look at not in. We have live life is free, not in a means that this phrase is not in a. Yes, the result will become now true because we are using a not operator. You understand the logic here?
Yes.
Because we are using now the not operator, that's why we can see here this is working for the not. Okay, now come to another example like this one here. The if statement. Okay, we want to print here some kind of if statement here like this one. This is our string. We check this word is present in txt. If it is printed, then print here yes, expensive is present here. We run it. Look at here.
Uh,
The answer will be like this one. We again run it. There might be some problem. That's why it's not running. If expensive in text, then print this string. Okay, because expensive is not in here. Okay, so that's why we are finding nothing. We associate here else. If it is not here, then what will print? Print no. Okay. You understand that? If this word will be present, then this statement will be run. If it will not be present, then this statement will be run. Okay, now check it here. Yes, there must be some colon. This was a syntax error. I forget to type colon after else statement. That's why it shows an. You can see here, no expense is not present here. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Any do you have any question? You may ask me when I was explaining. Okay. Do not wait for that. I will finish and then you will ask. You can ask me in case of any confusion or problem. This is all about the strings. We will more work on strings, and similarly, as we are working on the values, there were number values. Now these are the string values. There are some other important values which are called Boolean values. Boolean are two values, that is true or false. We did here. Look at this one. I think it was here. Yeah, this one. The answer of this print was true. Okay, and otherwise the answer now the answer will be false. So true or false are two special values that are used in Python, and these are called booleans. Okay, look at here. Whenever you will print these, what will happen? That 10 greater than 9, it will be true. 10 equals 9, it will be false. 10 less than 9, it will also be false. You can check it here. True, false, and false. Okay. If I want to make this true, this is the result of this statement true. What should I change?
If I wanted to make that true.
Yeah. If we want to make this true, what change we should do?
Replace the equal sign with the greater than.
Yeah, we can. There are three possibilities. Okay, we can. This is greater than is used. What could be the other possibility?
Oh, what was your question?
What will be the other possibility? One possibility is we can change it to greater than, like this one. Okay, 10 greater than 9. What should be the other possibility if I want to make this statement true?
You can take change 10 to 9.
Very good. The other possibility is that we can change this 9 to 10. Now you will see that this will also true, this will also true, and this will be the false. So the point of you must know about that the true and false are the values which are used in Python. These values can also be used with the help of as a variables. Okay, like we did there, the variable. We used like this one, bool of hello, which means that true, and bool of 15, which means that true. What bool this allow you to evaluate any value, and it will give you either true or false in the return when you will use this Boolean function. Like here, you have x is equal to hello, and you bool of x bool of x is equal to true, bool of y is equal to true. Most values are true, so we can also use with the help of 0 and 1, 0 for false and 1 for the true. These values will also be used in the future. We will learn about lists, then we will talk about these values. You understand that?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. The next thing is called Python operators. There are 3 or 4 kind of operators. Look at here the arithmetic operators which are used to perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication. The assignment operator is used to assign right hand value to the left hand value. Then we have comparison operators to compare two values. Then we have logical operators like and or not operator, and then identity, membership, and bitwise operators. Okay. For the time being, we will work on these 4 ones. Look at this. You can ask me any question about this one. This is plus, this is minus, this is steric, this is division, this is modulus operator, this is exponential operator, and this is floor division operator. Okay. The last 3 one are very interesting. Do you have any idea about modulus, exponential, and floor division?
I know the mod symbol,
The mod symbol?
the modulus.
Yes, this is this. What does this? You know that?
It gives the outcome of the remainder.
Yes, very good. It gives us the remainder of the value. Okay. So let's try it. Look at here. This is 5. This is 2. When we will type, when we will print x mod y or percentage y, we can see here we will get 1. 1 means that the 1 is the remainder. Okay. So let's see. We give here 15 and divided by 6. Then what will be the answer? 3 will be the answer. Okay. Because 3 will be the remainder of that one. You can understand that?
Yes.
Let me make a very interesting example here. We have just read about this one here. If x is equal to 89, and then we use their if statement, x double x percentage 2, and then double equal 0. Okay. Yeah, this one. Look at it. If and this one. What does this mean? There are two operations are performing here. First of all, it will divide x by 2 and get the remainder, and remainder will be 1. Okay. Then it will compare 1 equals 0. It will be false. Okay. So if it is true, then print that it's a even, and else, look at here, else print odd. Okay. Now run it. Now you can see it. What is that? Trace back in the print module. Okay, the spelling is wrong here. This is the print. Now we run it, and you will see here we can check whether a number is even or odd with the help of this little 2 or 3 line program. You understand that? Now,
yes.
If you will change here the values like 180 and you will run it, here you can see we can perform multiple operations in the same line. This is one expression, okay, in which this is arithmetic operator and this is not arithmetic. This is comparison operator. You can see here. This is comparison operator to check the equality, okay, and this is operator to check the not equal. This is greater than equal to, and not equal to. You can see here. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay. So you will see these all operators. You will work on these operators. Okay. And you will look for these operators until comparison and logical operators. We will not work on identity operators, membership operators. Okay. and bitwise operator. This is not included in today's lesson. We will work when we will have sound knowledge of strings and we have some more examples to work on. For the time being, you will learn about the logical operators and then the comparison operators and about the this one operator. Now come to the exponential operator. You know that exponential?
Exponential.
A power operator, okay?
Mm.
You know that we have calculated in the last time b square minus 4ac in the last example,
Uh-huh.
which we have done to find the determinant of that one.
Mhm.
You remember that in the last lecture?
Yeah, we did.
Okay, so we will use now this one, okay?
Okay.